Looking for the best gaming mouse under $100? You're in the right place. Welcome back to our channel, where we upload high-quality product videos every day to help you make smarter buying decisions. In today's video, we're breaking down the top budget-friendly gaming mice that deliver amazing performance without breaking the bank. Number 1. Question: Logitech G502 HERO. The Logitech G502 HERO high-performance wired gaming mouse is a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience. Equipped with the cutting-edge Hero 25K sensor, now available through a free software update via G-Hub, this mouse offers unmatched precision with one-to-one tracking, over 400 inches per second, IPS tracking speed, and an astounding sensitivity range from 100 to 25,600 DPI. One of the standout features of the G502 HERO is its 11 customizable buttons, allowing gamers to assign custom commands for an optimized gaming experience. Additionally, the mouse's onboard memory can store up to 5 different profiles, making it incredibly convenient for players who switch between games or gaming setups frequently. Number 2. Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro. The Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro gaming mouse is a versatile and high-performance device designed to cater to the needs of serious gamers. With 3 ways to connect: sub-1 millisecond slipstream wireless technology, low-latency Bluetooth wireless technology, or USB wired, you can choose the best connection method that suits your gaming style and environment. This flexibility ensures you always have the optimal setup for both performance and convenience. At the heart of the Dark Core RGB Pro is the custom PixArt PAW3392 optical sensor, which offers a native 18,000 DPI sensitivity. This sensor is specifically optimized for wireless use, providing extremely low power consumption without compromising accuracy and precision. The DPI can be adjusted in 1 DPI resolution steps, allowing for precise tuning to match your gameplay requirements. Number 3. Razer Basilisk Ultimate Hyperspeed. The standout feature of the Razer Basilisk Ultimate is its hyperspeed wireless technology, which is 25% faster than competing wireless mice. This technology combines ultra-low latency and interference reduction, offering true wireless freedom without compromising performance. Additionally, the Razer optical mouse switches utilize light beam-based actuation, making them 3 times quicker than traditional mechanical switches. This innovation ensures that button presses are registered at the speed of light, providing a significant advantage in terms of speed and responsiveness. The Razer Basilisk Ultimate boasts 11 programmable buttons, allowing for extensive reconfiguration and the assignment of complex macro functions via Razer Synapse 3. Number 4. Redragon M913 Impact Elite. The Redragon M913 Impact Elite wireless gaming mouse is a versatile and powerful tool designed for gamers who demand performance and customization. With dual modes of connectivity, advanced sensor technology, and extensive programmable options, this mouse is built to meet the needs of even the most demanding MMO players. The M913 Impact Elite offers both 2.4 GHz wireless and USB-C wired modes, providing flexibility depending on your gaming setup. The ability to switch between wireless and wired modes ensures you never have to worry about losing connectivity during critical moments. This dual functionality, combined with 12 side buttons, makes it an ideal choice for MMO gamers who rely on easy-access keybinding shortcuts to maximize their in-game damage output. Number 5. Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse. The Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse is designed to elevate your desk experience by providing superior comfort and promoting a healthier posture. Tailored for small to medium left hands, this mouse is a perfect fit for left-handed users seeking an ergonomic solution. One of the standout features of the Logitech Lift is its vertical design, angled at 57 degrees to promote a natural posture in the forearm and wrist. This shape helps reduce strain, making it feel like an moment for your wrists. The softly textured grip and sculpted thumb rest ensure that your hand remains comfortable throughout the day, reducing the fatigue associated with prolonged mouse use. The Lift vertical ergonomic mouse is not just about comfort, it's also highly functional. It features easy-to-reach customizable buttons that allow you to personalize your workflow, enhancing productivity.